Hey everyone, in this video, we're here to present and demonstrate to you the Arduino Project 6, the alarm. So before we start, here are the members of this group to the Cyber Wizards. First, Josh Valerdi Palarcuna. Second, John Cedric Lahato. Third, Ashik Alsinawi. And third, Christian Barwado. What is alarm in Arduino? In Arduino, an alarm typically refers to a system where the Arduino triggers an alert, like a buzzer or LED, when certain conditions are met, such as reaching a specific temperature, detecting motion, or time-based events.
Here are the materials that we are going to use for this project. First up is the Arduino board. It acts as the microcontroller to control the flow of current and provide power to the LED. Next is the breadboard. A breadboard is a platform used to build and test the circuit without soldering it. Jumper cables, used to connect different components on the breadboard or between the Arduino and the breadboard. Buzzer. To use a buzzer in Arduino, you can connect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign symbol on the buzzer, to a digital pin and the negative terminal to ground.
Good day everyone. In this video, I'll talk about the instructions of how to assemble the 86. The buzzer. The block in the circular component shown in the middle is a buzzer. It's likely a piezo buzzer, which produces sounds when powered. Next is connections. One wire from the buzzer is connected to pin 6 on the green header of the microcontroller. This is a digital pin used to control the buzzer. The other wire from the buzzer is connected to GND, which is required for completing the circuit. 3 is power supply. The microcontroller, but probably powered by USB or another source, provides the power for the buzzer circuit. When the digital pin 6 is activated, it sets the current to the buzzer, causing it sounds the alarm.
Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain how our code works. So, in the first line, const int buzzer equals 8. This line declares a constant integer buzzer and assign in the value 8, meaning the buzzer is connected to pin 8 on the Arduino board. The keyboard const ensures that this value cannot be changed during the program. Next is the setup function. Is called once when the Arduino is powered on or reset. The pin mode function gets pin 8 ready to be used for the buzzer. This means the Arduino can tell the buzzer to make sounds when it sends signal to it. The outer for loop using I runs twice. It repeats the entire sequence of the inner loop and its associated delays. The inner for loops using J runs 4 times, producing 4 short beeps. The tone buzzer 1000 or 1 seconds plays a sound at 1000 Hz. The delay 250 pauses the program for 250 milliseconds while the tone is playing. The no tone buzzer stops the sound and then another delay 250 creates a 250 milliseconds pauses with no sound. After 4 beeps, the program waits for 500 milliseconds before repeating the outer loop to make a sound to make a second sequence of 4 beeps. The outer for loop using X runs twice, similar to the previous section. The inner for loop using Y runs 5 times, producing 5 short beeps with the same 1000 Hz tone, 250 milliseconds on, 250 milliseconds off. After each set of 12 beeps, there's a 500 milliseconds pauses before the outer loop runs again. And that's all. I'm going to explain you our challenge in AP6. So in the first line, cons int buzzer equals 8. This line declares a constant integer buzzer and assign it the value 8. Assign the pin number 8 where the buzzer is connected to Arduino. The setup function is runs once when the Arduino starts. The loop function is run repeatedly by the Arduino. This is where the melody is played. The for int I equals 0, semicolon, I less than 2, semicolon, I plus plus. This loop for repeats the melody twice. So in the first code, the melody of London Bridge is Falling Down is played using the tone function which generates sound at a specific frequency, followed by the no tone function which stops the sound. First phrase, London Bridge is falling down. So in this code, tone buzzer 392 equals to J, delay 750, and no tone buzzer delay 200. And another is 440 is A, and delay 500, and no tone buzzer. So next is buzzer 392 equivalent to G, and delay is 500. And another is 349 equivalent to F, and it delays 500 or 5 milliseconds. And 319 equivalent to E, and 349 is equivalent to F, and 392 equivalent to G, and 319 equivalent to E, and 349 equivalent to F, 392 equivalent to G, and 349 equivalent to F. So, the notes are played in sequence using the tone function. Each note is given a frequency corresponding to a musical note, G, A, F, and E. The delay function is used to determine how long the notes play, while no tone stop the notes. Second phrase, My Fair Lady. So, it is the same to another code. So, 319 to E, 349 to F, 392 to G, and 294 is to D, 392 is G, and 319 is E, 249 is C. So this part of the code plays the second phrase. The notes are E, F, G, D, and etc. And the delays control the rhythm of the song. This rhythm helps ensure the melody is played at the correct notes. That's all. Thanks.